For almost a year now, Channel 6 has been looking into a massive tire pileup in Coryell County and trying to find out why it hasn't been cleaned up. But after months of delays, the Texas Veterans Land Board, which owns the property, is prepared to pay for the cleanup. Channel 6 News reporter Andrew Moore is in studio to tell us why this all took so long. Andrew?
Chris, the Coryell County Office of Emergency Management says they have been dealing with this mountain of tires for 13 years now. I've been to this area west of Gatesville multiple times. The mosquitoes are awful. It's a haven for snakes, and if it ever caught on fire, the county says it would almost be impossible to put out. But why did this cleanup never get done in the first place? Well, for a couple of reasons. Number one, the Texas Veterans Land Board repossessed the property after the individuals that owned it defaulted and then dragged their feet on spending the money to clean it up. Number two, when the board did decide to clean it up, they spent a lot of time looking for cheaper alternatives. It only accepted 2 bids on the cleanup twice in the last 2 years, and neither one worked out. And number three, the board never made an attempt to count the tires until a month ago. So when they did finally get a contractor to do the job, they had to cancel the job because the scope was no longer accurate. But soon the board will be putting out a third accurate bid, and Coryell County says Channel 6's coverage played a big part in the progress.
The media has been very upfront and a very integral part of making sure that this got to the General Land Office and got to the public opinion.
The Texas Veterans Land Board Senior Deputy Director Matt Elridge tells me the good news is the pile of tires is not quite as big as they originally thought. They say it's about 250,000 instead of 700,000. The board says they should be paying a contractor to do that cleanup in January. See what Channel 6 had to go through to get an answer on this issue coming up at 10 o'clock. Chris?
All right, Andrew, thanks so much.